On the sidebar menu, click Master Data. Click Master Job Title. Click the Show on Graph button to display the organizational structure diagram. Here you can set up the organizational hierarchy and determine who has the access rights for managing leave, permission, overtime, and replacement requests. Any box can be moved and associated with other boxes. To move a box, click your mouse button on a box and hold the mouse button. Move your mouse cursor over another box that you want to connect until the color of the box underneath turns red. Release your mouse button. You will see a message asking if you really want to make the changes. Click OK to continue. If a job title is empty, then any request submitted by any employees under the vacant job title is going to be managed by a job title that is above the empty job title. The replacement of the superior transfers the access rights of managing any leave, permission, overtime, and replacement requests that are still awaiting approval. A job title can only be deleted if the job title is not being used.